Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Silent. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Roko. I will show all the detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. It is a good project. You can easily be able to make money on it, buy it on that time. It is already listed on Dex tool. I will share detail in this video and stay tuned. I will share in this video that how you can buy it. They're about the Rokos, how you can contact them, how you can be able to be a part of their community. So I will start review of this brilliant project, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Crypto Silent. Press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. Dollar Roko on base, it's just a rock. You can see it here. This is the Roko. It's been living amongst human ever since it's crashed into the earth, whipping the dinosaurs. No one really noticed it. It's just a rock. So it's about the rock story that its name is Roko, and it being living with the human beings among from the crash after the crash on the earth, and after whipping out of the dinosaurs. So it's really the basically the story of the Roko behind it, that how it came to being. So it's basically the rock which is living on the earth, which after wiping the dinosaur. So it's just a rock. You can see Roko, the first space traveler. So it is a first space traveler, and it come into being. I will share that with you in the video too. You can also copy this address, and you have to go to your wallet, add it in your wallets, and make money on it. So you have to buy it. If you buy it, it will add it into your account, and you can see there is a chart. I will share their chart about the DEX tool, etc. You can see their tokenomics. Tokenomics for every project is basically most important thing, and you can see 1B rocks. So they have the 1B. There is only one rock for every 8 people. So every 8 people will get one rock here. Their contract address is given. Contract will be renounced and liquidity is locked as it should be. So they have the reflection stop skipping rocks. Holders benefit one by one reflection. So you will get one by one reflection if you are the holder. You can be their holder after buying it from Uniswap, and you can easily be able to be a part of their team, and every people will get so basically a rock, and one rock is for every 8 people. So now I will share with you about the rock. Here is their video is given. You can see that video. It is played here as that rock come into being, and it's coming here. You can see drifting around the space like a clueless space potato. Roko did not have any buddies or thing to strut about. Then bam, earth's gravity snatch it up and sent it to the down like basically wrecking ball. So sure, it whipped out to the dinosaur, but it somehow survived, and it's been chilling here since ever since, totally under the radar. So you can see it is under the radar. You can see Roko was here before us, and he is gonna outlast us, just chilling like a rock. As you can see, it is chilling in this video too. So it is all the story behind this Roko, basically rock, and it's just a rock. Don't be work on it. Its symbol is dollar Roko here, so you can be able to buy it. I will show that how you can buy. So here it is how to buy base wallet. You have to first of all make sure that your wallet support base chain. Switch network to the base chain minute, and after that get ETH. Load your wallet with base chain ETH. After that you have to go to the Uniswap. I will give the Uniswap link in my video description. You can go to it and enter Roko contract address in the receive field. After that you have to select the slippage, which is 1.5%. You have to swap, enter the amount of Roko you wish to buy, press swap and follow the steps, and add contract. Make sure Roko contract is added in your wallet token list. If not, follow wallet instruction to add it here. So you can see it here, all details is given. So white paper is given. It's just a rock. You can be able to buy it. So Roko spotted in the world. They have different, like given here, there have been many Roko spotted in the wild. Some of them can be seen in here, but all we know is one king. It's been there all along, and it's just a rock. So here you can see They are the Harley Rocco, which is given here. You can see it's basically physique, and also it's here you can see presentation. It started the first motorcycle club called Stone Riders. Some say Marlon Brando was part of the group. You can see another one is given Rock Strong. It's created Coinbase and most recently Base Chain, so you can be a shit coiner here. So shift manager is, it was your shift manager when you were flipping burgers. It will welcome you back to the next bear market. So here it's links given. They have the Twitter link, they have basically Telegram, Dex tool. You can see it here. They have basically Binance link is given, CoinGecko links, and also other links are given. You can see here the Uniswap. Here it is contract assets given. Rocco has no association with any famous rocks, mountains, or people. This token is made for the entertainment purpose. You can see they have given the details. So further I will share with you that how you can buy it from Basecamp. So it is given as Basecamp token. Meme is given, their price, their contracts, their decimal is given, official site is given. You can go there. They are the person who are basically buying it. You can see method is execute 31 minutes before, and all their listing is given. So if I further go, is a Rocco at that time its price is low, but in the future its price will goes up. You can see it here at the start its price was up, but now it's low, but it is green here. You can see it's going up. Must go and invest in it so you can make money on it. Market cap is $1.36 m. Liquidity is given. You can see total market cap, all the details are given. You can easily be able to buy it. For that you have to basically come back here. You have to copy the address here. So I will just copy that address which is given above already. You can see it here. So I will just copy this address. After copy address, we will go here and we have to select the token which we first of all we have to select it on the base. After base we have to paste that address here. After base you can see it here, just rock. So I complete it here. You can easily be able to buy it with ETH from here, and USDC you have to write it here. So if you want to buy it with basically 1 or 2 or half ETH, it's up to you, which is equal to 1905. You can see you will get a lot of basically Rocco which is given here. They have minus 3.15%, which is a difference between USD value. You have to connect it with your wallet. They have ETH price here. You have to connect it with your wallet, that wallet like Uniswap wallet, MetaMask wallet, etc. You can see have the Twitter like breaking. It is the video which is given here. You can see it here. They have different news. You can work on it. You can also join them on the Twitter. It's just a rock name as Rocco, and you can see they are working on it. They have contract added Dex tool, TG link, and web. You can see it here. The price is going up. Must go and invest in it before it's this opportunity will end. You can easily be able to make money on it, as in the future its price will goes up. You can also join them on the basically Telegram. You can be a part of their team on the Telegram too. It is a very good project. You can easily be able to make money on it. I share all their details in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. Thank you so much for watching.